Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to increase CP in Dark War Survival. Increasing your combat power in Dark War Survival is all about taking a strategic approach. Start by upgrading your military center to boost your troop capacity, as stronger and more numerous troops directly raise your CP. Next, focus on heroes. Acquiring new ones add combat power immediately, and leveling them up or enhancing their skills increases it even further. For example, upgrading a hero like Scarlet can noticeably boost your CP. But heroes aren't the only factor. Upgrading your buildings, such as your dorm or other key structures, contributes to your overall combat strength. Training troops consistently also helps, as does actively participating in your alliance. Managing resources efficiently and engaging in plundering can further enhance your power, making every strategic action in the game contribute to your total combat power. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.